Winter may slow down your garden, but it doesn't have to slow down your gardening skills. In fact, winter is the perfect time to cozy up, recharge, and learn new techniques for spring. Today, I'm sharing the best gardening books to read this winter. Books that will inspire you, educate you, and take your garden to the next level. The Vegetable Gardener's Bible by Edward Smith. First up is a classic, The Vegetable Gardener's Bible. If you want straightforward advice on soil, spacing, and bed design, this is the book. It's incredibly beginner-friendly, but packed with wisdom even experienced gardeners appreciate. This is the kind of book that lives on your shelf forever, because you'll keep coming back to it. All New Square Foot Gardening by Mel Bartholomew. Next is All New Square Foot Gardening, an absolute must-read if you want more food in less space. Bartholomew's method is simple, organized, and perfect for small yards or raised beds. This book breaks everything down so clearly that even first-time gardeners feel confident starting a square-foot garden. The Well-Tempered Garden by Christopher Lloyd. For a more storytelling approach, check out The Well-Tempered Garden. Written by the legendary Christopher Lloyd, it blends practical gardening wisdom with the humor and charm of someone who truly loves plants. It's like talking with a knowledgeable friend who has seen and grown everything. Planting a New Perspective by Piet Oudolph and Noel Kingsbury. If you're interested in landscape design or maybe you want a more artistic approach to gardening, this one is just stunning. Piet Oudolph, who is honestly one of the world's most influential garden designers, teaches how to create natural-looking plantings that feel wild, layered, and beautiful all year round. This book will completely change the way you think about texture, structure, and, winter interest. So, The Living Soil Handbook by Jesse Frost. For those who want healthier soil and, honestly, bigger harvests. The Living Soil Handbook is essential. Jesse Frost really simplifies soil biology and shows you how to build living, thriving soil without using chemicals. If you want to understand why your plants behave the way they do, this book is honestly a game changer. Next up, The Flower Gardener's Bible by Lewis and Nancy Hill. If flowers are more your style, The Flower Gardener's Bible is just perfect for winter planning. It walks you through design, color choices, seasonal bloom cycles, and how to grow flowers that absolutely thrive. By spring, you'll have a full game plan for your most colorful garden yet. Braiding Sweetgrass by Robin Wall Kimmerer. And finally, if you want a book that touches the heart, not just the garden, Braiding Sweetgrass is just extraordinary. It weaves together ecology, indigenous wisdom, and the spiritual relationship we have with plants. It's the kind of book that will remind you why gardening matters, and why we care for the earth in the first place. So those are my top gardening book picks for winter, each one offering something a little different, from inspiration to technique to design. Which book are you adding to your winter reading list? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this list, hit that like button, subscribe for more gardening tips, and get ready. Spring will be here before we know it.